Located in a very strategic location with a very big and secure parking lot, a kids playground and various choices to choose from their menu. Does their pizza come in square? Just how big is Big Square? Quite family friendly, the ambience is amazing, the customer service is top notch. But still, wacha tuone wanaofa nini.
Hi.
So what are you offering today?
So today we have our pizza section. It's really awesome, especially the barbecue chicken. It's our special pizza and it has the barbecue sauce on the top, of which barbecue sauce yetu ni tamu.
Top notch.
Yeah.
Okay, I don't mind starting with that.
Yeah.
What else?
And for the drinks, we have our signature mega shakes. These are shakes, but what is special about them, like the berry mallow, which has marshmallows.
Okay.
Yeah,
nice,
it's really awesome.
Amazing.
And the creativity of our barista, you love it.
I can't wait to experience that.
Okay.
So I'll start with the shake maybe. As I wait for, how long will the pizza take?
15 minutes max.
15 minutes max.
Yeah.
It's okay, it's okay. I can start with the shake as I wait for my order.
All right.
Thank you.
Okay. Enjoy your drink.
Thank you. Shakes is one of your fast moving items on their menu, and my goodness, I'm having my mega shake as I wait for my pizza order, which takes 10 to 15 minutes. And the ambience and this flavor, it's worth the wait, Bana. So let's wait.
Hi, my name is Fancy. I'm the pizza chef at Big SQUARE Nyali. You're welcome and taste our pizzas. Yeah, thank you. This is the final product, barbecue chicken. It has a barbecue sauce on top. It's very yummy. You're welcome to Big SQUARE Nyali. I'll be your chef. My name is Irene. I'm the manager on duty at Big SQUARE Nyali.
Okay.
Yes.
Why Big Square?
Big SQUARE is the place to be. One, the ambience. We have the great ambience and great food, amazing food. And we also have a family area where the kids can play as you enjoy your dinner. Then the biggest of them all is enjoying the big flavor with the big vibe.